Hello everyone, welcome to our channel. In today's tutorial video, I'll be showing you the process on how you can send gift messages on Instagram. Before starting this video, please make sure to subscribe and to press the notification bell icon to get updated. So let's get this video started. First of all, you need to tap and open Instagram application on your device, then get logged in into your account. At the homepage of your Instagram, you need to tap on messenger icon on top right corner. Then go in for selecting any of the chats or any of the people that you want to send a gift message to. Now here you need to tap on the message box and go in for typing any message that you want to. After typing the message, you do not tap on send. You have to tap on the search icon just beside of the message. There you can see many stickers and GIFs. Now to send the gift message, you have to scroll to the left side. There at very end you can see the gift box. You need to tap on it and with that the gift message will be sent. Now to see the message you just tap on the box and with that the gift message will be opened. Hope this video is fruitful for you all on how you can send gift message on Instagram. Thank you.